Hey guys, and welcome into today's video. We are going to be reviewing Alpine. Hopefully my mic is fixed and ready to work for you guys today, so hopefully we won't have any audio problems. And the news that we have had out is that Alpine for subsidiary ELECTREJET reveals its graphene enhanced AX and GAX class solid state batteries. Now this is the article that came out today. The share price has gone up another 11% and we are now sitting comfortably above $2 a share, which is fantastic. Hopefully now that we are at the overstretched levels on the RSI, we can start to cool off back down to the 50-day moving average. If this 21-day moving average actually does catch up and we do actually find support at this area, then this is definitely going to bounce. We are going to see those highs again towards that $2.5 to $3 price range, where we can expect to trade with a resistance around that 100 and 200-day moving average. This is absolutely fantastic because you guys know that recently we have had loads of institutions buying, and of course they keep buying those shares. They are now starting to hold. This is great value. Like I said on my Discord in the private Patreon, we did in fact put out a buy for this at $1.50 and below. So again, if you were inside the Patreon, then you would have had an opportunity to buy this company when it was down at its lowest it has ever traded over the last year and a half. So guys, this is a fantastic opportunity right now, and let's, without further ado, get into this article. But first, I just want to say thank you again to all of the people that come back time and time again and support this channel. And if you guys could do me a huge favor and make sure that you guys get this video up to 100 likes, that would be absolutely amazing, and it would really help me out. And again, if you are new, then make sure you are subscribed so you can stay up to date on all of your favorite stocks that we talk about on this channel, like Alpine 4. So in the article today, guys, we can see that the AX and GAX class solid state batteries, that ELECTREJET has completed its initial demonstration project run, and it was again another success story. And I just cannot even believe the fact that if I come onto Twitter and I scroll down here, it's literally success story after success story after success story every single week. And this is why I continue to gobble up shares of this company, because if you look at, again, the earnings that came out in November, you guys can see that we had, a fantastic earnings. We were growing over 23%. This is per quarter, not year over year. This company are leading in their market for their technology, guys. They have some unstoppable products which are going to absolutely dominate and explode over the next 5 years, to the best of my knowledge from all the research I've done, and they are growing in the tens of millions per year. This company is only going to continue to get stronger as we ramp up that production, especially in lithium-ion batteries, which is exactly what Kent is now positioning this company for, which is why we have had this recent subsidiary. If you want more information on that, then I will link this video above. Please be sure to check it out, because it's extremely important that you guys get familiar with exactly what RCA and ELECTREJET does and how it's going to help this company in that long-term profitability, and how it's going to take them into the tens of billions of dollars in market cap, again, to my belief. Now this battery, guys, is absolutely amazing. It's very reliable, and they are saying that it holds and retains 80% of its capacity with over 1,000 charging cycles. So that is absolutely fantastic. It's saying that the AX battery class is still quite fast and has operating specifications of up to 4C charging. At a 4C rate of charge, the AX class can charge in 15 minutes. Typical fast charging of lithium-ion batteries charge between 5C and 1C, which equates to 1 hour, guys, so to 2 hours and 5C. So that is absolutely amazing, because we are charging so much faster than any of the competitors. And again, the CEO is saying that they are dominating. They have managed to achieve this in such a short time, and this is a testament to the talented individuals that they work with. And unlike their competitors in the solid state space, they are not only building prototypes, they are actually in production and can deliver their batteries to companies seeking this solution today. So this is why it's so important, because again, like I said, this isn't like a SPAC. This company isn't coming on at $10 onto the market and it isn't producing any revenues. This company are growing every single quarter. They are destroying numbers, and they are continuing to increase with new subsidiaries and new announcements every single month. And this is why I absolutely love Kent, because he keeps us up to date, he keeps us in top form, and this is what you need to look out for in a CEO. This company is fast becoming one of the top 3 companies that I'm holding inside my portfolio, because my belief recently on this company, guys, is only growing stronger over this past 12 months, and I absolutely love sharing all of this information and these insights with you here on YouTube. It says here again that Ken is saying, on top of all of our incredible features, the solid state batteries bring one of the most unique features in safety. The typical lithium batteries will combust with the slightest puncture. Our batteries have been tested to not only catch on fire, but to hold the voltage and still operate after being punctured by a nail, cut in half with scissors, and even shot at by a handgun several times. I mean, that must be a fun job to do, shooting again at those batteries. But here, guys, this is why we're saying this company are, developing these advanced technologies, and these batteries can be used to be delivered in electrical devices moving forward and dramatically reduce the hazards of operating with battery equipped devices such as cell phones, EV, EES systems, and autonomous drones like Value's G1 and US2. This company are working with government contracts, guys, because that's where they are looking to position themselves with Value's defense and aerospace sector. So again, this company should hopefully have a very, very bright future ahead of it. Now, I will link this article for you guys below in the description if at any point you want to go and check it out and have a read over, or if you would like to pause the screen, then again, feel free to do so. But I just wanted to get this news out for you guys. Have a quick look through that share price and see that despite the fact that the rest of the market today was quite negative, again, Alpine is absolutely shining through with another 11%, which goes to show us that those institutions are really starting to now understand why this stock is going to move over the next 10 years, and it is going to dominate. We are not going to get an opportunity, guys, over these next 12 months where this stock will stay at this level of volatility while inflation fears are high and while small caps are very, very depreciated and undervalued at their 52-week lows. Because over the long term, when this company becomes profitable and REC and ELECTREJET do start to dominate with their technology, which I believe is going to happen in the EV and energy storage space, this company is soon going to hit $1 billion in market cap. What happens once that does come about is you will get more analysts start to cover this stock. Those price targets of $6, $7, $8, $9, and $10 will start to come in as more analysts get coverage on this stock out. More news articles will start to flood in over the 12 months, and before you know it, you have 10 analysts covering the stock over a 24-month period, and this stock could easily be up in the double digits. So this is why it's really important to invest over the long term, to dollar cost average in, guys, every single month when you have obviously your paychecks. When you are building a portfolio of any kind, obviously it's about managing risk, not to put all of your money into one stock, which is why I have so many stocks on my watch list. Most of these stocks I do hold inside my long-term portfolio, but the best way to actually get rich over the long term, guys, is simply to dollar cost average in every single month, not to put all of your money in one day and try and time the market, because that is the worst thing you can do, because you just don't know in the short term how the markets are going to react. But by averaging in every single month, guys, you are going to get the best slice of that pie, the average price. And over the long term, once these shares start to accumulate and Alpine works its magic with Kent, which is exactly what's happening, you will find that this stock will become very, very profitable. Again, this is all to my belief from all the research I'm doing and how this company are projecting forward, and how we can even look at the earnings and we can see that they are growing every single year with profit, guys. This is a real company and they have some incredible opportunities if they manage to capitalize on their plans. So guys, that wraps up this video. I hope that you did enjoy it. Make sure that you are subscribed down below if you haven't, and make sure to smash that like button if you did find any value. It is my birthday on Friday, so I will be away this weekend right through until the end of the week. So I look forward to getting some more updates out for you as soon as I'm back next week. And again, I hope you have a fantastic ending to your week and a great weekend. It is a pleasure making these videos for you guys, and I thank you again for your continued support and everything that you do for me on the channel and all this space on YouTube. If you would like to support the channel further, then feel free again to join the link to the private Patreon below, and I look forward to welcoming you to us and the amazing community that we have inside our Discord. So guys, have fun, take care, have a great weekend, and I will see you guys back on my channel soon for some more content on Alpine 4 and our channel favorite stocks. Ciao.